In this video, we're going to learn how to add error bars to an already existing graph in Origin. Most tutorials I found on YouTube expect you to have a dedicated error column in your data, which you can then set as y-error and plot as a y-error right from the start. But what if you already have a graph and want to add a percentage error afterwards without requiring this error column in your data? Suppose we have this graph, for example. This is an amplitude plot for a high-pass filter in electronics. So these dots are amplitudes on a decibel scale plotted against the frequency. We have already fitted the data, we have marked the critical frequency, etc., etc. Now, if we want vertical error bars for these amplitudes, we simply click on one of the dots, click on Insert, Error Bars, and then we have three options. We can choose percent of data, we can choose standard deviation with a scaling factor, and the square root of data. Now, let's say we want a percentage error of 10%. We simply enter 10%, click OK, and Origin automatically adds these error bars. If we double click on one of the error bars, we have several options. We can edit the line width to make them appear thicker. We can edit the color. Let's, for example, turn them blue. If you, for some reason, want horizontal error bars, you can do that here by clicking X error. And what's really useful, if you have a continuous measurement, like for example, a sweep from a digital oscilloscope where you have tens of thousands of values, and you can plot your data as a line graph right from the start instead of these discrete little dots, then you can also add the error bars this way, double tap the error bars, go to Connect, and then choose Straight or Spline. That way, you get this error curve instead of error bars, and you can further emphasize that by clicking Fill Area under Curve. And that's basically it. I really hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.